design of a plane that we are going to look at today is the Spitfire Mark III, which is my long-term collaborator and designer John Smith and I created. So from a bird's eye view shot we can see what the plane will look like from above, giving an idea of how large scale the plane is and what the proportions the wingspan and tail needs to be. First we need to draw the front of the plane, ensuring that the propellers are accurately placed, then bringing it down the front end of the plane towards the wings. Now the wing needs to go out to the sides in a rounding corner style to ensure that this is streamlined, making it more agile against the wind. Within these wings there is a retractable landing light for which when flying at night, a section of the Browning guns and the wheel will act as a shock absorber. Behind the wings, the next part of the design is to ensure that the back end narrows towards the tail, with the aerial mast just above it, attached to the tail. Just underneath there are parachute flares, tail wheels at the back and the rubber tab either side of the tail. The Spitfire Mark III is encased in a skin plating which is developed from the Mark II, making it more agile and streamlined. It will also prevent any damage. Just in the middle here you will see where the pilot sits. On this design we have implemented a sliding cowl, making it easier for the pilot to get in and out of the plane. And finally, just at the front here we can add the further information just to show where the engine goes. This model is more advanced than the previous Mark II, as the Mark III has a Rolls-Royce Merlin 1030 horsepower, making it a 12-cylinder engine. Overall the plane is 29 foot and 11 inches in length. The first flight of the prototype Mark III will occur sometime during the autumn of 1941.